I see work and career not as doing something. My joke is if all of our job titles had to be accurate for what we did most of the time, all the time, we'd all be professional email responders and meeting attendees. And so, what you want to do to find meaning in your work isn't simply what you want to do, but what problems do you want to solve? What challenges, what puzzles, what problems are you excited to tackle? Because that does a couple things for you in finding meaningful work. One is that you can continue to seek out problems, right? Get excited by the challenge and pick your stress, which is really important. But also, too, on the other side of having a career you love, you have to have people who are willing to give you the career, right? If you don't want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to go out there and have a traditional career, you got to find people having that problem. And so if you can assert yourself as an expert problem solver in very specific domains, you're going to always be in demand. You're going to always be sought after as a professional. And then you get to dictate the terms of your employment more effectively because your value add and your impact becomes so much greater in solving problems versus simply doing work. You then can ask for more salary and more benefits, PTO, work from home, stocks, whatever you want. You can ask for those things because you're going to be able to prove to the employer why your return on investment as an employee is high enough to justify everything that you're asking for from them in an offer.